Okay guys, welcome back. I made some modifications to my first Bedini, thanks to your input, especially farmhand. I reorganized a little bit the coil and the rotor. I put on in the base of the transistor, I put the 1K pot meter, potentiometer, and across a 1K, so I can adjust very good without it burning out. I've attached a load battery now, and I think I was able to find now the sweet spot. I also have now 1 pulse per magnet, so things are looking good. You can see here at the meter on the right, you see the amps drawn from the source battery, 153 milliamps at the moment. If I tune it, it will not go faster or better. I get the second spike back on the scope, so that's not good. So I think this is the optimum arrangement I can get. I do not have a second multimeter to see the charge of the charge battery, the voltage, but it's running up, so it looks good. Looking at the scope, you can see now again the both pulses. The bottom one is the output. It's 32.4 volts going into the charge battery. The upper red one is the trigger coil. You can see we have 1 pulse per magnet now, no unequally spaced spikes what I had before. I think the waveform below the load waveform is also the good one, and well, I'm glad it's going to work now better than before by your suggestions. Nothing seems to be running hot, the pot meter not, potentiometer, sorry, it's okay. I can lower the frequency, the charging milliamps, but then you see again immediately the spike coming up on the upper trigger, so I'm going to put it back at where it was at 150 whatever, 53 milliamps. I can also change the coil a little bit fore and back, but when I get too far back, it get the spike again on the upper trigger, so I put it back on this, what is it, 3/4 of an inch, 1 centimeter space. So I'm happy about this, and I will do now the discharge of the battery to see if it's working as expected. Frequency on the upper pulse is 124 Hertz. So that's for 4 pulses, so that's something like what is it, 30 whatever rounds per second. We'll make 1800 rounds per minute, I think. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. Thanks all for now, and see you next time perhaps.